Welcome to this video. In this session, I will explain what happens when we create an ASP.NET Core with the React project in Visual Studio 2022 and what the project structure means. When you create this project, Visual Studio generates two major parts. The server side using ASP.NET Core and the client side using React. Together, they form a full stack application. The server side is powered by ASP.NET Core. It contains controllers to handle API requests, models to represent your data, and configuration files such as program.cs, startup.cs, and appsettings.json. This is where you connect to databases, write business logic, and expose APIs. The client side is built with React, located inside the client app folder. It has the SRC folder for React components, a package.json file for dependencies, and a public folder for static files. This is where you design the user interface and connect it to your backend APIs. When you press Run in Visual Studio, ASP.NET Core runs on the Kestrel server and React runs with the NPM development server. Visual Studio configures a proxy so both parts can communicate. In production, React is built into static files and served directly by ASP.NET Core. In a normal workflow, you will first build your APIs in ASP.NET Core, then consume them inside your React components using fetch or axioms. You design the UI with React, test both parts locally, and finally publish them together in one project. In conclusion, this template gives you the power of a full stack application in one solution. You get both backend and front end together, making development and deployment much easier. This structure is perfect for building modern web applications.